Ben, where are you?
I'm waiting the bus. It's late.
You're waiting the bus?
Yes, waiting the bus.
Are you watching the bus?
No.
Then what are you waiting?
The bus.
That's the mistake, Ben. Wait needs for. You wait for something. Wait is not directly followed by an object. For example, you can say, wait for me, wait for the bus, wait for your turn.
Oh. I'm waiting the bus.
Ben, you made the same mistake again.
Okay, I'm waiting for the bus.
That is correct. What are you studying today?
Grandma, can you explain me this?
Say that again.
Please explain me this word.
That is a small mistake.
What mistake?
We do not say, explain me.
Really?
You should say, explain it to me.
Explain it to me.
Yes, that is correct.
Grandma, can you explain it to me?
Perfect sentence.
Grandma, can I have some cookies?
Yes, you can have 2 cookies.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
Grandpa, tell me a bedtime story.
I will tell you the best story. Once upon a time, there was a brave knight.
What was his name?
His name was...
Grandpa, did you forget already?
No. I am just thinking.
Was his name Sir Lion?
Now I remember. Sir Lion. And Sir Lion went to the...
Grandpa, you forgot again.
You should sleep now. It is late.
Are you going to leave?
No. I remember the story.
Then tell me what the dragon was guarding.
The dragon was guarding a treasure.
And then what happened?
Then Sir Lion walked into the... That is better. Good night, little dreamer.